Oh man, am I excited for this. So, I got some packages recently. Sorry the lighting is a little bit weird just ahead of time, but this is, well, an unboxing. I'm sure you've seen the title. If you haven't already, then you'll find out soon. But toss that to the side. This is the main event right here. Maybe we should go with the other one instead. But, yeah, let's just do that first. So let's just get started. Let's open this up. Oh man, I'm excited. Alright, so let's, oh gosh, how do I open this? How do I open this, guys? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it just opens up like that. So here we go. Ooh. There it is. The iPhone 12 or 12 Pro silicone con case. So let's take this out of this wrapper, whatever this is for. But there it is right there. Let's put this aside. We're not going to open this up until we open up the other thing. Maybe we should open up first. Might as well. Let's do that. So you just peel this thing on the back. This little thing, little tab right there. You just peel off, and just like that. And here we go. Let's unbox it right now. So here is the case. Oh, it's upside down. Huh. Interesting. So wow. You can't really tell on the camera, but it looks good so far. All right, let's take it out of this box thing. Ooh. Okay, so here is the MagSafe. Whew. Okay, there we go. There's that. It's actually dusty. I think that's dust. I don't know, but oh, it comes with some paperwork. Is that Chinese? Huh. Well, it comes with some paperwork, but we don't need to look at that. It also shows how to put it on there, which I already really know how to put this on here, so it should be fine. Don't really need that. On to the main event. Now, I don't have scissors near me, but I will try my best just to, you know, tear it open. Oh, do I see it? Oh, I kind of see it. Okay. I don't know. I've never unboxed my own phone at my house before. I've usually just done it at the store where I got it. So this is a new one. This is a new thing for me. Ooh. Oh boy, here it is. Okay, so it comes with some stuff, I think. I think this is part of it. It was like stuck down there. Whoa, look how thin that box is. Whoa. Look at that. Alright, so we got some paperwork in the box. That's it's some activation stuff because you got to activate your phone on your own. But here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro. If you already didn't know, this is a thin box, and actually I forgot to grab a other iPhone box. I'll be right back. So this is an iPhone 11 box. This is not my phone, but it's just the box of somebody's phone. But like, look at that. Look at that. Whoa, that is a lot thinner. And the reason it's so much thinner is because there's no charging brick or headphones in the box, which is fine for me because I already have lightning cable. If you already have a lightning cable, you can use the same for the phone. I mean, it's not really a big deal. And also, I have a power brick from my iPad Pro that I can use because I don't use that one. So I can use it. I'm going to do it next to the microphone so you guys can hear some nice stuff. Very nice. So, this, oh, it doesn't even say. Oh, it does. Okay, well, it usually says, like, the storage amount, like, right around here. But this is the 256 gigabyte. It's a lot of storage compared to what I had before. I'll show you what I had before after I unbox this. I'm really excited for this. Okay, let's take it out of the box. Let's move my webcam crappy setup down, and we will unbox this and put it in the case. So here we go. We're gonna unbox it. Ooh, that's a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna look. I don't know why. There's the box. I'll put it aside. Ooh. Okay, so let's just take out what I had before. So this is the iPhone XS Max, and it has 64 gigabytes. It's terrible. So this phone is a lot bigger than this one, but I wanted a smaller phone. And oh my god, does this look good. I don't even want to touch it. Like, I don't even want to touch it right now. Like, it just looks so good. Like, I'm gonna take a picture and show it on screen, and it should look a lot better than this stupid webcam. Wow, does that look amazing. I just love this thing so much. So I'm gonna take another picture because I love it so much. Not the first one to get this. Reviewers and stuff, I've gotten this before. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it, but I'm gonna touch it because it's my phone. As you can see, squared off sides, it looks absolutely amazing, and you peel off this thing for the screen. I've seen plenty of unboxings before, but this is just insane. Okay, not much sound, but oh my god, there it is. Ooh, it's already getting fingerprints on it, but it looks absolutely amazing. Oh, and also you can see the webcam that I'm recording on. It's not anything special. So, I mean, there's the charging thing with the USB-C to Lightning. This does not have USB-C, it's Lightning. But here's some paperwork. You already seen all this probably. There's just one Apple sticker in here instead of 2, which is fine because I already have enough, but this is insane. So let's just turn it on first. I'm gonna get back to you whenever it's all like turned on and stuff. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'm gonna set this thing up and we are going to take a look at this phone more in depth. So I'm just gonna oh shoot. Okay, so I was just looking at a notification for my screen protector, and it automatically says set up new iPhone. I'm not going to zoom in on it because it has my email. We're going to set up a new phone. Ooh, here we go. Okay, hold the phone. Okay, that was, whoa, holy cow. That was really quick because there's this, like, focus. Oh, okay, never mind. It had this, like, if you ever set up an Apple Watch, it shows like the blue dots and stuff. That was really quick. That was like so quick. All right, I'm gonna enter the password of my other phone. The webcam sucks so much. Like, look at this. Like, you can't even tell it's an iPhone anymore. Look at that. Wow. It's got technically 5 cameras, because there's one right here, and then the LiDAR thing is right there. It's not really a camera, but it is kind of. So let's set up Face ID. It's telling me to set up Face ID. Let's do that right now. And I think it's kind of weird how you have to set up Face ID because you gotta like do this. Should I transfer data? Honestly, no. My first phone was, I actually have it right here, the iPhone 4. Now it's a little bit dirty because this case definitely brings out a lot of dirt and connects like. I just touch it and it's instantly dirty. This phone was a great phone, and it's only got 1 crack on it. That's how good I am with these phones. Like, it's insane. Then I had the 6 Plus, which I don't have anymore, and it got run over by a lawnmower. And then I got the 7 Plus, and then I got this phone, the 8 Plus. This is what I record all Trains Driver videos. If you know about my other channel, Hadenator 999, go subscribe. We do gaming videos and stuff. So let's, Apple Pay. I can set that up right now. So I think we're almost done setting it up. It's just going to take a little bit to load everything. But oh my god, look how flat that is. Like, look at this. It's like a brick. It's amazing. Like, you can't even tell because this webcam honestly is terrible. I was going to use my iPad for recording this, but I wanted the microphone. Welcome to iPhone. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We're finally done. So, oh, there it is. Ooh. This case is great because look at this. All right. So, we put it in here. Put it in. Oh, it already did it. So, it has an NFC thing in it in both the case and the phone. Whoa. That is so cool. So, it knows when it's connected, so it knows what color the case is. And automatically shows a little thing. Like, I'm gonna have to put it close to the microphone next time, and it shows what thing is connected. But other than that, MagSafe is gonna be a really cool thing, especially for me, because you can get like a car mount you can put the phone on the car mount instead of having to like have like a little ledge or a little lip or something to hold it or something. Magnetizes to it. And I'm going to be getting that as soon as it comes out. So it's gonna be really nice. But other than that, this case looks amazing. As you can see, the bottom right here looks amazing, and I didn't know if I would like the size, but I do so far. I really want to check out the cameras. The cameras are a big thing for this thing. So I got the ultra wide pulled up here. I'm gonna take a picture of the webcam with the ultra wide, and I'll put it on screen. There, cool. It's already up to date. 1.14.1. There it is. Software up to date. 14.1. Now, if you're getting this at a later date, it might be out of date, so you might want to check that. But oh my God, is this amazing! So right off the bat, it definitely feels smaller. I'm gonna hold this phone real quick. Wow, that is a huge difference. Like, that is really big difference. This is something that I want. I want a smaller phone. It's most likely lighter. I don't have a scale. What I also need to do is set up my Apple Watch. Now, how do I do that? Let's find out. We're going to be testing 5G speeds. That's another thing I'm really excited for, 5G, although it's not everywhere yet. But it is faster on LTE as well. If you're like, oh, 5G is the only thing that you get, faster LTE speeds is another thing you get, as long as you have a good connection. So, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Battery health, 100%. Amazing. Absolutely incredible. We're going to be testing HDR video at some point. This is a test with the iPhone 12 Pro, ultra-wide lens, testing HDR and all that stuff. Look at that. Pretty cool. This is the front-facing camera of the iPhone 12 Pro. Looks really good. It's actually 4K, 60 FPS. It's really nice. Cellular options. Oh, okay, so in cellular options, you can select like 5G and 5G auto, which automatically connects to whatever, which I would definitely prefer 5G, but whatever. And you can turn LTE or 5G, so you have an option. It's not like it's, you know, you have to have 5G or whatever. I don't even know if my carrier even supports 5G. I mean, I'm sure they do. If you have any questions about this phone, let me know. I don't have the MagSafe charger, so I can't test that out. But if you have any questions about this specific phone, okay. use your Apple Watch with this phone. Okay. Set up for myself. And then I didn't even have to battery to continue connected. Okay, you know what? So this is the blue stuff I was talking about. Well, no, okay, it's gone. Never mind. So this is recorded on the iPhone 12 Pro right now, the front-facing camera. It's actually 4K, if I didn't tell you already. But it's, oh my God, it's just an amazing phone so far. It's just incredible. I will do another video if you guys want, whatever you want. Whatever, oh yeah, you want to test the camera versus the iPhone XS Max and 8 Plus. I don't know. The iPhone 4, like even that. So 5G hasn't shown up on my phone yet. It's still transferring whatever. So I wanted to do a quick size comparison of the camera size. Holy cow. That's way bigger than this one. So here is the squared off comparison in thickness compared to the iPad Pro. It's very, very similar, except it's more shiny on this one. And obviously this one's huge. But let's also compare the camera bump. Look at the size of that gigantic camera right here. Okay guys, a little bit messy of a video, but that is all for today. This is recording on the iPhone 12 Pro. It's really cool so far. We finally got the service working, and no 5G. Thanks for watching. Subscribe again, and again, and again, and again with all your devices. Bye.